This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a canned tuna fish sandwich. To begin, make sure to drain 1 5-ounce can of tuna very well. This is crucial for a great texture. Next, gather your essential ingredients: mayonnaise, finely diced celery, and a bit of red onion. Finally, select your bread. A sturdy option like whole wheat or sourdough works wonderfully to hold all the delicious filling. Now, let's create that perfect filling. Take your well-drained tuna and flake it into a medium-sized bowl with a fork. Then, finely dice 1 stalk of crisp celery and about 1/4 of a small red onion, adding them to the tuna. Incorporate 2 to 3 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise, depending on your preference. Gently mix everything together until it is just combined, ensuring a consistent texture. For optimal taste, seasoning is key. Start by adding 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper to your tuna mixture. Next, sprinkle in about 1/8 teaspoon of salt, but feel free to adjust this amount to suit your palate. For an extra kick, consider a dash of your favorite hot sauce or a small squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Always taste your mixture and adjust the seasonings until it is just right. Finally, it is time to assemble your masterpiece. Take your perfectly prepared tuna mixture and spread it evenly across 2 slices of your chosen bread. For added freshness and a delightful crunch, you might want to include some crisp lettuce leaves or a few slices of ripe tomato. Place the second slice of bread on top, and then, for that classic touch, cut your sandwich diagonally. Now, it is ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.